Today we are going to do the experiment on superposition theorem. Okay, so superposition theorem, in superposition theorem, this is the circuit diagram. It is the given circuit. Here what we connected, 2.2k resistor and 2.2k resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, all are ohms here. So this is the T network we have given, and here we have supplied, we have given the two voltage sources through the RPS. What do you mean by RPS? RPS is nothing but regulated power supply. So this is also regulated power supply. Here through this regulated power supply we can give the voltage source from 0 volts to 30 volts. Okay, here also we can give 0 volts to 30 volts. But here we are giving fixed voltage of 5 volts and here we are taking 10 volts. So here whenever, according to superposition theorem, we can find any branches, in any branch current we can find. So this, in this branch we are going to find the current. So here this is the RPS, regulated power supply, and this is the breadboard, and this is the ammeter to measure the current. And this here T network, 2.2 kilo ohms. This is the 2.2 kilo ohms resistor, and this is the 2.2 kilo ohm resistor. This is 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, see here, this is the connecting diagram. 2.2, this resistor is this one, and this resistor is this one, this resistor is this one. So after that, here the ammeter is connected now from this terminal, from resistor terminal, second terminal, we connected this wire to the ammeter. Okay, and after that ammeter second terminal, ammeter, this is the second terminal, no, second terminal goes to ground connection. This is the ground, this is the ground. Okay, so after this connection is over, no, from this regulated power supply, this is the positive terminal. Red color knob is nothing but positive terminal. This is the positive terminal, and black knob is negative terminal. Okay, so here this positive terminal is connected to 2.2 kilo ohm resistor. No, see here this connecting wire from positive terminal to where we have gone. Here 2.2 kilo ohm resistor. No, here we connected. See the connection properly. Here we connected. Okay, after that this negative connection. So negative connection, where it has gone? It went to the ground connection. So from negative, this black knob we have taken to the ground connection. Okay, so this connection is also over. This connection is also over. Now from this point, 2.2 kilo ohms to, see here this is 2.2 kilo ohm, no, this is 2.2 kilo ohm, and from this point to where we are going, positive terminal. See, RPS positive terminal. So this is the positive terminal, no, hence we connected here positive terminal. After that negative terminal is there, no, here this is the negative terminal. So black knob is the negative terminal. Where it is going to ground. See here, this part, this entire part, this is the breadboard, no ma. So in this breadboard, this entire part is the part ground connection. Okay, so ground connected part, and this is the working part. So circuit, we can connect the entire body of the circuit in these two columns. Okay, so after that, this is also ground part. Okay, now the circuit connection is over. Now we are going to see the current passing through this particular branch, in the middle branch. Okay, so here how much amount of voltage we are giving? Tell me.
30 volts.
5 volts. We are giving 5 volts. Here 10 volts we are giving. Okay, so this is the first channel. This is, here we are giving 5 volts, and this is the second channel. Here we are giving 10 volts. Now 5 volts I am giving. I am setting 5 volts. Yes, it is now 5 volts. Here we need to set up to 10 volts. Okay. Now it is exactly 10 volts. See here, the current passing, how much current is passing here in between? So through this here how much current is passing now? 3.7 milliamps. Why I am saying milliamps? This is the meter 0 to 200 milliamps. Okay, so the rating of this ammeter is 0 to 200 milliamps. Therefore here what is the rating? 0 to 200 milliamps. That means we can measure the current up to 0 to 200 milliamps by using this meter. So here how much amount we are getting? 3.5 amps. 3.5 milliamps we are getting. Okay. So according to superposition 3.5 or 6. Okay. So according to superposition theorem, now we are going to short one branch, I mean one supply, regulated power supply or voltage source. So here short means making zero voltage. Short means making voltage here zero. So here in the second part, to make this circuit a short circuit here, this part, that means we are eliminating one voltage source. Eliminating means making voltage source equal to 0. So here voltage source I am making equal to 0. So now what is the current we are getting here? 1.2 milliamps. Now here I am noting it down, 1.2 milliamps. Okay. So next circuit is, now I am making short here the first terminal. Okay. So first voltage source we are making equal to 0. That means here this part we are making short circuit. Now this 0 I have taken. Now I am increasing again here 10 volts. Because second source we need to take and first source we need to make equal to 0. Okay. So here I have taken 10 volts and here
0.
I made it 0. So now that is equal to short circuit. Okay. So now what is the current?
2.4
Yes.
milliamps.
2.4 milliamps. Now total current I is equal to I dash plus I double dash. What is the measurement of current here? Total current, how much we measured here? 3.6. I is equal to 3.6. I dash, what is the I dash? I dash is what ma? 1.2. Okay. I double dash is what? 2.4 milliamps. So total current is what? 1.2 plus 2.4. What is the value? 3.6. 3.6 milliamps. 3.6 milliamps. Same current we got now. Okay. So this is the proof of the superposition theorem. So in the first circuit we have considered only the first voltage source and second voltage source. Here in the first circuit, this is the first circuit. Okay. Here we get the total current 3.6 milliamps. Okay. Here we are not taking anything. Now in second circuit, this is the second circuit. No, second circuit only we are considering 5 voltage source and we are making equal to 0 of 10 volts. Okay. So that's why I have taken here hyphen. And then no total current, we are not calculating the total current, we are not measuring here, only I1 dash we are measuring. So here 1.2 milliamps we got. Now I double dash is dash. Okay. Now because we are not calculating this. Now in third circuit, this is the third circuit now. In the third circuit what we are doing? We are making equal to, we are not considering first voltage source, we are considering only second voltage source. Therefore here what we are finding? I we are not finding, I dash we are not finding, here I double dash we are finding. Like this we need to take the calculations. Thank you.